San Juanico Bridge limited to vehicles weighing 3 tons and below. Okay, so upon checking in, ang kailangan lang ay yung rehistro ng sasakyan at saka yung lisensya ng driver
at 50
at 50 pesos for additional environmental fee. Okay, try to board in right now at Montenegro Shipping Line Company, Batangas. Welcome aboard. All the other are just waiting right there. Babay oh. Alright, finally we are here right now. Sarap po na pakiramdam dito. Nakakagaan ng feelings, ano? Okay, so it's time for us to leave the cargo ship. Ako muna, Brian, mag-drive, okay? Okay ba sa'yo yan?
Okay. Okay pa.
I'd like to welcome once again for our second part, which is our continuation of our blog, Davao to Luzon, Travel by Land. This time around, I'd like to share to you the ride of our vehicle to Montenegro Vessel from Lipata, Surigao, going to Liloan, Oblate. Okay, and then from there we'll just have to stop over for a meal, and then we'll proceed to our destination, proceed to our travel, going to Tacloban, which is gonna be our stopover, and I think we'll be staying in our relatives for a night, and then in some other day we'll be going to cross the Tacloban San Juanico Bridge and going to Allen, Port of Samar, to cross again another Roro to Matnog and going to Luzon. Okay, so samahan niyo po ako sa vlog na yan. I'm sure you're gonna have a lot of excitements and surprises along the way. Please do subscribe our channel for more and click the notification bell so you'll be notified as well. Okay, so here we go. Biyahe na tayo. Okay, so nauna na pong check-in natin yung ating sasakyan sa loob. Sa ganon, makapila na tayo bang wala pa yung barko. So kami ay standby muna dito kasi at mga 6 o'clock pa yung barko natin. Okay, so yun na. Wait. Itong sasakyan natin ay check-in muna natin. Alright. So far, nakapasok tayong mga nakapila dito kanina. So yan na lamang po, yung ating sasakyan ay pipila na rin natin, ano?
There we go.
Okay, since our car is there already, so we are about to enter. We're walking through this way. Ito po yung papasok ng kanilang terminal port. Okay, dati-rati binagyo ito eh. Ay! What is that? Binagyo ito dati, kaya lang siguro this time around maayos na ito.
Like a trash.
Okay. Ayan, so mas minabuti naming maglakad na lang for exercise na rin. So it's already there. Yung barko na yan ay bound to San Ricardo. And then yung sa atin ay hindi pa nakarating.
Dalawang office pa ang daanan bago makasakay barko.
Mo ba?
Bago ko bayad 129 at to sa sabay pa check pa dagan pa kay check.
Lagi na. Marami pa daw i-check. This is gonna be the whole picture of the terminal right now. Current position, current views. Here it is. Ang daming mga sasakyan dito nakapila rin. Lahat dito ay sasakay sa barko. Mutabok sa Liloan. Leyte. Alright? So, as long as mayroong mga truck na to. Alam, ano, magkakape. Nakita. So, ito yung pinakapantala natin. Oh. Yung CR nila ay portable. Ito. Ay, parang hindi yata portable. Yan lang nasa labas, ano. JMT. Mga barko na yan. So waiting, let's go to their customers lounge area. So ang customers lounge right here. Ganito pa rin dati, wala pagbabago. Since nabagyuhan ito, ganito pa rin ang tema dito ngayon. Meron silang charging station there. Wala pa? Oh, so far ito po yung ating sasakyan. This is the Montenegro shipping. Alright, so it's not gonna be our first time to ride that ship. So ito na po ang instruction ay mag-ready because naka-unload na po sila. So now it's time for us to get ready. That's why the cars are there. They're just preparing now for loading. Ayan. Yun tayo sasakay. This is the cars are just waiting right there. Saan ba yung car natin? Kapila na sila. Konting trivia lang po para sa mga subscriber natin. Dati-rati maganda ito dito eh, nung maabutan ko ito. So this is now how it looks like. So it needs rehabilitation kasi nga hindi pa ito nare-repair. Dati aircon ito, dito kami. So buhat ng sinalanta ito ng bagyo ay nasira. So ngayon temporarily doon sa kabila yung inistambayan ho natin. So walang pagbabago kasi makaraan nung magbiyahe tayo, dyan tayo. Ngayon hindi pa na-rehabilitate. Ito aircon yan dati, maraming mga pagkain, maraming mabibili. So ngayon ito na po ang sitwasyon ngayon. Kulang sa budget. Maraming lamok, mainit, at saka may mga odor. This is the Lipata Terminal Port, how it looks like now.
Few moments later.
Good morning once again to each and every one of you there. And talagang naaliw tayo dito ngayon dahil ganda po ng bukang Liwayway. And there is a boat right there. It's a fisherman. Okay, so at this moment wala pa rin nakaboard in sa ating sasakyang Montenegro. Okay, so parang ganda talaga ng it's a gift from God, you know. Ang ganda ng pagpasok ng umaga. Check your time now. It's now 4:30 in the morning. Yan. So far wala pa rin tayong tulog. And a lot of passengers just waiting right here in this side, just like us. Anyway, We just have to wait for the instruction of the ship crew whenever we are going to board in the ship. Okay, this is going to be Lipata Terminal right here in Surigao City, and hopefully that we can board in at around 6 o'clock. We're gonna be leaving here and bound to Liloan. So from here approximately it's gonna be 4 hours travel. So if somehow we can move at around 6 o'clock, 6, 7, 8, 9, probably will be going there at around 9 o'clock or 10. So dire-diretso na yan sa ating travel. Siguro ito na yung mga assistant. So they're going to be leading the the loading of the cargos, as well as the cargo truck, as well as the private cars, just like us. So welcome once again to our second part. This is gonna be our second part of our vlog, Davao to Manila by land travel. Alright, so as of this time we're heading towards the ship. So the first thing is the passengers are thoroughly, they're gonna be the one to board in the ship, while the other are just waiting. The private cars are just waiting, as well as the cargo trucks are just waiting right there for, however, they're going to be going to be instructed as well. Before that, they're going to make their way up. As much as I have the ticket for the separate ticket for the passengers, so as you can see, I'm not just the one who just falling in lines right there, because you know, we do have a little passengers today, so I'm sure there gotta be a lot of places towards the passengers lounge area, or passengers I don't know, passengers deck. Okay, so okay, so hindi po kailangan na magmamadali tayo, and then doon nakapila tayo. So wait lamang po tayo ng instruction. Okay, so this is gonna be our second part of our vlog. So napakaganda po ng umaga, tingnan nyo po, ayan, no? Kikita nyo po, however, it's very, the sun is bursting up in the sky, and you know, the color itself is just mixed up with anong tawag ba, yellowish, or that in the higher above is just maroon or something like darker than gray, and with combination with maroon. And talagang malinaw ang ating dagat ngayon kasi walang maalon, o hindi maalon ngayon. So talagang the weather condition is just very suitable for our trip today. Sana po ay maayos po ang ating biyahe. So sabahan niyo po ako for the whole video hanggang matapos po yung vlog natin. This is gonna be second part. Okay, shout out po sa lahat ng mga subscriber natin ngayon. Thank you so much. It's gonna be the right time to board in the ship. Hi Avril, what can you say about it? Alright, here we go. Let's try to board in right now at Montenegro Shipping Line Company, Batangas. Welcome aboard. Ayan, tayo na po ay papasok dito, while the other are just waiting right there. Okay, so pasok na po tayo. Ito po ang kanilang entrance. Maria Vanessa. Ticket. here now. Here now. Ganda. Dito mo. So mag-roam around muna tayo dito. Ito po ang kanilang air condition pero I cannot feel the aircon. The other side of this shape. Okay. Alright. Okay. It's ready for departure. And let's go from the other side. Canteen. Okay. That was our car right there, okay? Ang babay oh. Okay. Okay, let's get boarding in. Try to board in our caravels. Did you say?
Look at this dude. No.
What?
Is your car downstairs?
Yeah. What are you thinking? Hold on, what are you thinking? Hey, why are you staring like that?
There's a pink dolphin in here. I see a pink dolphin.
I didn't say anything.
I see it. Wait. I see the pink dolphin.
Where?
Down here in the ocean.
Oh, really? I didn't see.
Mommy, see there?
No.
Is that
Cannot go
one
there.
over here?
Sorry, what?
Is that over here?
I don't know.
Who's that? That is a bird flying.
check right now, pieces. We barely have 12 minutes past the hour, about 6 o'clock, and we are now leaving the beautiful city of Surigao City right here. So, as you can see, they're covering up the gateway. Okay, they're folding up the gateway so that we can move it around here in the port of Surigao City right now, as you can see. So approximately we'll be going to arrive at around 7, 8, 9, 10 or 10 or 11. So we are now leaving. Here you can see the cargo tracks upstairs. It's loading up. Okay. It's gonna be the time that we leave Surigao. It's very wonderful to witness right now the cargo ship just departing up the port terminal. As you can see there are gonna be a lot of cargo trucks just waiting. It might be that they are not included in this trip, so they're just waiting for another ship to arrive, right? Okay, the sun is just bursting upside. The sun is soaring up high, and right now the weather condition is just not so cold as a while ago. Just warm up a little bit. Okay. They're gonna be the coastal areas here. You can see there a lot of houses near the shoreline. Alright, finally we are here right now, and as you can see, the weather condition is very much suited for our travel right now. And of course, I can barely felt the ocean, the freshness of the air, and the ocean like. Sarap po na pakiramdam dito. Nakakagaan ng feelings, ano? Ayan po. Still heading to the mountainous area. We're leaving that particular that is Mindanao, right? And right now we're heading to Visayas region. Ito po yung mga kikita nyo po. Napakasarap po ng hangin dito. Mahangin po ngayon. Nakakatamtaman yung ating weather condition. Tingnan nyo naman po, maaliwalas. Talagang hindi maulap. Timing yung biyahe natin ngayon, ano? Yeah. Let's see from the other side, okay? This other side, you know, kita natin. Talagang mainit dito. Mainit yan. Mainit dito eh. Ayan guys, tingnan niyo po yung dagat, ano? Talagang it's darker blue. Meaning to say, whenever it darker, whenever darken, it means that it's very deep in the ocean, right? And of course, yan, as you can see there, let's have a closer look right now. That's gonna be the part of Leyte. Okay, we can barely see right now, but it's very near in our location, but we will have to travel for a couple of hours to reach that island right there. Okay, there's another ship right there. It's a very big ship. You can see that. Alright. So samahan niyo pa rin po ako sa biyahe natin, so that papasal ko po kayo sa whole picture ng ating magagandang lalawigan sa Pilipinas, right? The sun is soaring high. Yan. Pit na tayong dumating, mga guys. Ngayon lang ako nakakita ng ganito kalinaw na tubig, oh. Talagang hindi maalon sa pagkakataong ito. Okay, ayan, kita niyo po. Linaw-linaw, ano. Okay, super linaw po ng tubig ngayon. Kaya lang maraming mga ditong banda, maraming dumi. So far I think malapit na tayo, kasi nakikita ko na po yung rito, yung mga bundok-bundokin na ganito. So, sa likod ng bundok na to, that is gonna be our destination. That is Liloan, right? So check your time right now. It's now 50 past the hour of 8 o'clock. So malapit na mag 9. I think hindi na tayo abot ng 10, at saka darating na tayo dyan. Okay?
2 very boring minutes later.
Okay, so check your time right now. We have 48 minutes past 9 o'clock in the morning. Today it's gonna be Friday, and we are here already in Liloan. So nandito tayo sa loob ng sasakyan kasi ang init-init sa taas. So nagpapa-aircon tayo dito ngayon. Okay, so let's try to okay, so as much as nagpapa-aircon tayo, as much as charge tayo ng mga cellphone kasi lupat na po tayo. So ngayon ako naman magdadrive. Itong driver na to hindi magbayad na ako mag-drive kasi ang espiritu niya ay malalagpot. Malalagpot. Okay, so it's time for us to leave the cargo ship. Okay, so right now, since nandito tayo sa dulo or pinakasulok-sulukan, so sila muna yung nauna sa atin. Okay. So ako muna, Brian, mag-drive. Okay? Okay ba sa'yo yan? Okay.
Okay,
alright, so we are here na in Liloan, and since then I'm really starving. Talagang nagugutom na tayo. Kay imagine the time right now is 10:11, and then yet we don't have a breakfast yet. So hanap muna tayo ng breakfast dito ngayon. Ito yung mga assistant nila, gikuha na nilang kalso. Okay, so siguro it's gonna be our turn. Okay, so hindi tayo naman. Okay, napadi okay, so fire round. Tuwa na po tayo. Here we go, Brian. Okay, so this is gonna be our second day of our vlog, Davao to Manila. Okay, napakataas ito. Okay, dako. Okay, so yan. We are now bound to Tacloban. Getting ready for Tacloban City. Diretso lang tayo. Ha? Asa naman ang mga pasahero na to? Okay. Here lang tayo. Let's get to wait for our passengers right here before going. Thank you so much Montenegro for a nice ride. Kaya lang ang tagal.
Sir, napakay kauban nito, sir.
Napa nga.
Thank you, sir. Salamat.
Ang Visayas region. Napata sa Visayas region unsa day ka. Alright. Asa naman sila di eh? Ala, unsa naman ning kuan Brian? Di man ning ngani sa una. Murag tambakan man nila diri.
Hello. Drop.
Sila diri.
Oh.
This is the Liloan ferry terminal right now. It seems to be a big changes for this one because I think they are putting a lot of structures right here in this particular area.
Because my mouth is
You know,
blowing.
Dodong, you're so
I wish I
talkative,
can
no?
have candy.
You're so talkative. Dodong.
Oh, well, how about you? Where's your house?
Dodong.
Dodong.
Okay, so this is gonna be our second day. Before anything else, before going to our trip today,
What
we're
flavor
gonna
is
have
that?
to find a
Flavor.
or an eatery because we are really starving now.
Yeah, that one.
Because imagine the time now, we just arrived at around 10 o'clock.
Where we go? Right or left?
Right.
Beach? I want to go the beach.
Magano?
Okay, because I don't.
Sino part?
I want to
Okay,
swim.
so
Okay?
Diri. Oh, diri.
pato ka.
I want to swim. Okay. I want
Alright.
Sa 1, Pan-Philippine Highway.
Ay, dito.
Right.
Palit ta.
Right swim.
Tama yung dudong left.
Okay, so right here in Liloan, it's about 148 kilometer going to Tacloban.
Ang diretso lang ng 2 oras at 42 minuto hanggang 1.
So give it a check right now, pieces. We barely have 3 minutes past the hour of 10 o'clock. So
Flavor is that?
maybe we'll be there at around 3 to 4 o'clock the afternoon. Totoo ng barang.
Look, oh, Dodong, it's brain.
Okay, so we're passing that bridge right here. So this is gonna be the trademark
Who's that? That one.
or a landmark when you are here in Liloan. Napakahaba ng bridge na to.
Yes.
Butang pa yung go.
Ayan o.
Who's that one?
Yung ocean.
Here.
Yung ocean.
Gwapo ang view.
Yung dagat dito. Ayan. Tingnan mo. So amazing.
Basta diri dyan eh.
Ako po din sila di. Ako mag-helmet yung di ba kita po.
Uy, takpan nyo di eh.
Ako mag-helmet.
Okay, natay mag-iad din ang kananan, Brian. Don't worry.
Panungutan siya. Pero diling ani kasakit.
Okay, hindi mo malihok.
So far, ang way dito is maayos pa.
Dili makawin namin ko.
Compared mo doon sa Tacloban going to Samar, ay talagang wala kang maiwasan. Wala na kaiba iwasan. Talagang sira-sira ang daanan. So, diri okay pa ning mga daanan. Diri, dili pa kayo sira. heading now to Tacloban. Get
Yes,
ready.
we going to beach.
No, we're not going to beach.
Why?
We are traveling, right?
Why?
Why ako laylay? Utan ka lang munggay. Saktan na lugbate. Kalanon ni Dodong Matrison.
Bulaluan.
Ha?
Dala.
Okay. Pwede. Pag muna.
Mau na tutong ka.
Oh, tara. Muna.
Dalat.
Okay na. Pwede pa yung ani on...
Oh, dili pa yung nani ni.
Pwede pa yung aning dalan. Okay, so...
Mga ibalay ito.
Ladies and gentlemen, kakain muna tayo here. Stop over muna tayo because we are Tom Suguna. Okay? So, meron tayong nakitang bulaluan dito. Okay.
Dumiretso lang ng 15 minuto hanggang isa.
Ano daw? Alright, here we go.
Di lang agitan ng adyan lang.
Kakain muna kami together with the kids. Say hi. Oh. Ano man nga murag luya makayo. Gabriel, pay kaon, pay tulog. Dodong.
Way ligo.
Wala ligo.
Tulog, way ligo.
Yeah.
Ikaw manggani.
Ganyan na, wala man ko natulog.
Meron tayong mga baon. Ayan. Okay, so we're done na ang ating meal. We're gonna move on. Gonna proceed to our destination. We're heading to Tacloban City today. And fasten your seatbelt. This is your captain, Don Istoy speaking. Okay, so
There's your that one.
oh,
Isa, Philippine Highway.
sure, not a problem. Let's go.